Tired of your Kvcore leads feeling more like a chaotic mess than a goldmine? Then buckle up, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to give you the essential keys to taking control and converting those leads like a pro. First things first, segmentation. Stop treating all leads the same. Dive into Kvcore's filtering options. Create smart lists based on lead source, property preferences, or even their level of engagement. This lets you send hyper-relevant messages that resonate. Speaking of messages, automation is your secret weapon. Craft a series of targeted emails and texts that nurture leads over time. Welcome emails, property updates, market reports, all on autopilot. But don't forget the personal touch. Kvcore allows you to track every interaction, so use that knowledge to make each conversation meaningful. Tailor your questions, address their specific needs, and build genuine rapport. Analyze lead behavior. See who's actively browsing properties, opening your emails, and engaging with your website. This allows you to prioritize the hottest leads and strike while the iron is hot. Schedule those follow-ups. Don't let leads fall through the cracks. Kvcore's task management system ensures you stay on top of every conversation and opportunity. Implement these strategies, and you'll see a dramatic improvement in your lead conversion rates. No more chaos, just a streamlined system that turns leads into loyal clients. Now, go get those leads and transform your real estate business with the power of Kvcore. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Kvcore tips.